Welcome to another episode of 2 Points with Harbak. And today we're very fortunate to have Simon van Leuven from Vanden Recycling. And Simon is the Australian director of that business. Thanks very much for joining us today, Simon.
Absolute pleasure, Kieran. Nice to be here.
So, Simon, what is one of the key issues in the market today?
Okay, I thought I could focus on the reprocessing side of things. So that's when, the baled material that's collected or, post-industrial material that's collected goes to a reprocessing plant. So a couple of quick things. Firstly, with the reprocessing capacity that's coming on board in Australia, which is a fantastic move, we're probably going to reprocess more material than we can use in Australia. So therefore, there's probably going to be a surplus of material that needs to go to the export market. The challenge here, like our cost of living challenge, is the cost for the processors in the middle to convert that raw feedstock into a finished flake, regrind or resin, and then sell it on the international market. So that is a challenge that most reprocessors are going to face. There is a disparity between international markets and the local market, and having that balance right and getting your throughput volumes and your operational costs right in the current market is one big challenge for everyone.
Yeah, commercial matters are very critical. So, great point there, Simon. And Simon, if there was one thing you could change in the marketplace, what would it be?
Yeah, so again, on this same topic, I think there's a lot of talk about, targets and implementing them and mandating them. And I think we need to take that a step further. And there's got to be some kind of incentive to use recycled content here in Australia, whether that's a financial incentive or however they decide to structure it. But what we need to try and do is reward the brands or the manufacturers that have invested heavily in this space now. And there are many great companies that are investing heavily to use recycled content across, lots of different either industrial packaging or consumer-facing packaging. And we need some kind of incentive there to help use more of the recycled content onshore here. So I think that would be one thing I would be wanting to change. Let's change our language from, this is a target, this is a mandate, to no, we're going to regulate it and this is how we're going to do it. And this is how we're going to reward the companies moving away from prime and using more of the recycled material.
Yeah, procurement's such a critical issue. Thanks
Yep.
very much for joining us today, Simon.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you.